Hello, my name is Agrata Singh and I work as an operations officer in the supply operations and distribution department at the Vashi terminal. I joined the organization through campus placement after completing my mechanical engineering from MNNIT Allahabad. Working at an oil terminal has given me the opportunity to understand how large-scale energy distribution actually works on the ground. At Vashi terminal, we cater to the fuel requirements of 7 districts in the region. We handle multiple petroleum products including motor spirit, high-speed diesel, ethanol, aviation turbine fuel and superior kerosene oil. These products are received from the refinery through Mumbai-Pune-Sholapur pipeline. Once they arrive at the terminal, they are stored in dedicated tanks before being dispatched further through road tankers to retail outlets and bulk customers. Our terminal operates through the coordinated effort of several key roles. As planning and operations officers, our responsibility is to ensure the smooth distribution of products. We plan and monitor the filling of tank trucks at the TT gantry according to indents received from retail teams and customers. We also manage pipeline transfers, including product sharing with other oil marketing companies when required. Inventory monitoring and maintaining strict product quality standards are also a critical part of our role. The automation officer manages the terminal automation system or TAS. TAS is the digital backbone of the terminal's loading operations. It integrates various automation systems such as access controls, tank truck identification, product allocation, and automated loading at the gantry. This system digitally controls and monitors the entire loading process, ensuring accurate quantity measurements, safety interlocks, and seamless data integration across operations. The maintenance officer is responsible for ensuring the reliability and operational readiness of all terminal infrastructure and equipment. This includes pumps, pipelines, storage tanks, valves, loading arms, and associated mechanical and electrical systems. Regular preventive and predictive maintenance activities are carried out to ensure that all equipment functions safely and efficiently. In addition to mechanical systems, they also ensure the upkeep of civil structures, utilities, and overall housekeeping of the terminal so that facility remains safe, organized, and operational at all times. The safety officer plays a critical role in ensuring that all terminal operations are carried out safely and in compliance with established safety standards and procedures. Safety officers conduct regular training programs and safety briefings for officers, contract workmen, tank truck crews, and security personnel. They also monitor work permits, emergency preparedness systems, firefighting equipment, and safety drills to ensure that terminal is always prepared to handle any potential risks. The purchase officer supports the terminal by managing procurement activities. They publish tenders and place purchase orders based on requirements raised by different departments, coordinating closely with vendors and finance teams to ensure that timely availability of resources. Working at a terminal gives you a unique perspective on how critical logistics, safety, engineering, and coordination comes together to keep the energy supply chain running smoothly every day.